Hello, Thomas.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm feeling great. I just did about 20 minutes breathing. We did an exercise where I had to observe um, the surroundings and wrote down what I saw. And then I did basically the same thing after breathing, and it's striking how much more present I am. I noticed a lot more things about the surroundings. I described colors rather than just saying the names of things. I described different types of trees and multiple types of birds, and noticed the sky. Noticed what people are doing actually, not just like people around, but like some people enjoying coffee, some people playing with their phone in the grass. Um, Noticed different type of colors of the flowers, leaves on the ground, um, butterflies passing by, and birds flying in the sky. So it's just like I could go on and on and on and on.
Okay.
It's also like I feel serene. Um, Part of nature maybe.
Maybe.
Um, and yeah, it's just blissful. I don't think